Hello, this is what I got from BT. Important information about your new BT home service. A new adapter that plugs into something to do with the router. Got a useful guide to digital voice. BT new home phone service. This is all free. What do I get with this new service? Free call protects, stay protected from nuisance calls and add numbers to personalised block list. Free call diversion, free BT voicemail. Just call 1571 from your home phone to listen to your messages. The main difference is that your phone will need to plug into the back with broadband router instead of the wall. Can I use my current phone? Yes, most phone sockets will work with your new service, but if your broadband router is a tricky spot in the cupboard under stairs, you might need to adapt, so you need to move your phone where it is kept using it. Can I still use my answering machine? No, you won't be able to use a standard answering machine, but you will have a free BT voice message called multiple messages. Just dial 1571 to hear them. If there's a power cut or your broadband down, you won't be able to make calls using digital voice, including 999 calls. Your mobile will still work as long as it's charged, but if you don't have one in your area with no mobile, please contact BT. We're moving you over to our new digital service. I don't have to do anything right now. What happens if there's a power outage? If there's a power, you won't be able to make calls. What your home service is changing, what you need to know, why we're making the changes. The existing landline network has become old and outdated. That's why we've been retired across the UK by all providers and upgrading to a digital service. Digital voice runs on a broadband connection, which means we can continue to give you the best service now and in the future. When will we move over to digital voice? We're starting to move customers over to digital voice within the next few months, but it may take longer, 12 months or more, before everyone is switched over. Will I get a new phone and when my number changes? You'll still be able to use your own phone, keep number, and the price will stay the same when you is digital voice easy to set up. If broadband internet connection is ready, you need to plug your phone into broadband router instead of the wall socket. What do I need to do? Absolutely nothing. You'll be back in touch when you time to switch you over to digital voice and advise you next step. But I did say, I'll show you, that order your free adapter at bt.com, DV equipment, or text adapter to 61998. I think I've done that, and this is what I got today. Right, this is what came out of the packaging. Got the dispatch note. Got our treat to you, 10% off on all EE stores, and a voucher for a naked wine, £75 off, a case of delicious wines. Well, I don't really drink wine, I'll probably give that to my mum to use, she'd be quite happy with that. Anyway, let's come to this box. Got the instructions. All I've got to do is basically plug that in, and a pair device button there. I'm going to have a quick read of this. First of all, I've got to plug this socket into here, like so. Now see it's flashing. Now I have to press that button there. Then I have to press this button here. Right, this is my old BT hub. And this one here is my new one. So I'm going to have to turn this off. Unplug these wires. 1, 2, and 3. Unplug this wire, the broadband, and then disconnect the power. Just for a quick comparison, that's the old one, that's the new one. See what we've got on the back. Got both USB, got 4 ports there, 4 ports there. One says WANG, but that one says 1, 2, 3, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Both got a factory reset, that's the power, that's the on off button. It's got the pair device and the WPS Wi-Fi setup thing on the side. Got the wireless address thing That's just got broadband, that's got broadband and for a phone. I showed all the differences to what's inside. Right, let's get this one connected up now. Right, let's connect this new one up. Don't know if it matters what those are where. Blue, green, yellow, BT broadband, and lastly power. Let's turn it on. Nothing very exciting then. I thought something more was going to happen. All I could get were those two blue circles. Well, half a bit of a circle just at the top and the bottom there. Okay, so let's retry this thing then. Oh, something's happening. On orange. I think blue means I'm online. I'm not sure what orange means. Oh, there we go. On blue again. Right, what I've just done is I've pressed that button there, which is the WPS button on the hub there, and on the side there. Well, you can see that, but there is actually another WPS button on the side there, and I pressed that for 6 seconds, and that green light there, you can see that green light, that did flash, so that I should be able to plug in my phone now. Let's give this a test. Don't know how well you can hear that, but it goes beep. That wasn't the normal dialing tone, so if I unplug this here and put it down here, plug that in there, put that in there, so now hopefully I can get a normal dialing tone. So that phone is now working. So let's test my other phones now. I'm going to unplug this phone from this socket here, and then bring it over to this socket over here. So I've just done the same. I've pressed the WPS on my hub upstairs, and I've pressed this button here. So all I've got to do is plug my phone in, and hopefully that will now, my phone will now work. Now that I've plugged my phones into the digital voice adapter, I'm giving my phones a ring just to see. There you go, it all works.
Call from my hub.
Okay.
Call from my hub.
Right, so that's all working. So thanks for watching. I hope you like my little digital upgrade, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.